Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Shanira C and today I will be doing a wig review from Sensationnel. I will be doing this review on their up-down unit. I have model UD1 and UD9. Today I'm just going to be talking about UD1 and that's which one I'm going to be trying on and showing to you all. So let's get started. The model number 1 right here. Inside we have the ponytail right here that goes into your top bun, and then we have the half wig. Now this is a very versatile unit, as you can see from the pictures, and if you're just a creative person, I'm sure that there are more styles that you can come up with. But you can wear just the half wig, you can wear it just as a low pony, or you can just do it as like a, high ponytail. I personally am going to be wearing it just like the model as the up down unit with the top pony and just the half wig in the back hanging down. This is a very affordable unit. I got this online at Divatress. I will put that in the description below to take you directly to this wig. And yeah, the wig is in 1B. So I'm very interested to try this wig out. I've been wanting to do the up-down style, and when I saw that they had a wig that I could just go in and do it myself, I was like, well, okay, let me give this a try. It's pretty easy to attach. Pretty much all you do is section your hair in the top ponytail and then the low ponytail, and the ponytail right here is going to be the wraparound piece, and then of course the half wig, you just snap it in your hair. And I have a couple of hairpins that I'm going to use to also help me secure this wig, and yeah, it should be pretty easy to do. This is how I have my hair underneath. I honestly kind of did mine differently. Like I said, I want to wear this one first, and I'm going to come back and do another review for UD9, but I really wanted to do like the two middle side bangs, but that wasn't going so well. So here I am. I just did this like crosshatch braid pattern, and then this is my hair in the back. So like I said, it's really easy, but if you want to spice it up, then you can. And like I said, this one's kind of plain. I know it probably would look really plain on me, so like I said, that's why I kind of spiced it up like this. And yeah, because it's so straight too, that's why I decided to do it. All right, so I'm about to get ready to open it now. All right, so here it is. Okay, so like I said, I figured that this wig was gonna be a lot more straight than, curls. It's kind of not giving me a good impression right now. I mean, what is this? This is ugly. But I know that if or when you wear the ponytail, I guess it's kind of to give it an illusion like, that's coming from the ponytail, but it's kind of ugly right now looking at it. I'm going to cut these strings off right here. And as far as colors, they have T227, T230, T2613, T2BG, T2 copper, T4 ash blonde. And here's the colors. And once again, here's this. Okay, so this part goes in the back. And honestly, I'm kind of thinking about which part would be easier to put on first. Should I put the half wig on first, or should I do the ponytail? I know the ponytail's probably going to be a little bit tricky because I watched some other YouTubers' videos, and they kind of had a little bit of struggle with it. But I just opened this first, so I'm going to go ahead and try to put this on first. I've never wore a half wig. I know, yeah, it has a drawstring back here. It looks like it's been cut. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that or not. And like I said, here's my hair in the back. So I'm just gonna put this on. And some people were and have been wearing wig caps. I'm honestly not gonna wear a wig cap. I just don't see it being really necessary. I think I need to pull that up some, so I can make sure it's really secure. And of course, I think that's why the drawstring is back there. I'm pulling the drawstring right now as we speak. I mean, I have a big head, but I don't have the biggest head. So yeah. And of course, it's kind of loose around like right here for me. So where I'm gonna stick my hairpins, I'm gonna stick mine over here because around the sides, because it's just not very secure for me right there. So far I like it. I think it's pretty. I really like it so far. So I just put 2 right there, and that definitely helped and has made it feel a lot more secure for me. And I'm just gonna put 2 more right here on the sides, because like when I was watching some others reviews, they put theirs like on top, but I don't really need mine up top. I need mine on the side. So that's where I'm putting it. All right, that feels a whole lot better. So much better. And I'm just gonna comb through it. Of course, I would not recommend brushing it. Don't brush it. Yep. And then I'm thinking about, I just thought about my little bun, so maybe tomorrow. Let me see how it looks. Show y'all how it looks at least. Maybe tomorrow I will put the wig cap on, or just try to tuck my bun some more. All right. Now, the hard part, I guess. The top ponytail. Kind of nervous about this one. All right, so I obviously see that this piece, you have to leave this piece out because it's gonna like tuck around, wrap around your ponytail. And so you just kind of wrap all of this around. And it has this little comb in there. So that lets me know it goes on like this, and then I start to wrap. So I'm gonna tuck it as best as I can right there. And I'm like, which way should I wrap? So I've kind of, as you can see, I've done it like that. And I'm gonna keep this part away because like I said, and then I don't even know if that's right. And now I'm gonna grab that part if I can. Okay. All right. And now I have that part. And I'm just wrapping it. And I'm trying to pull it tight. Oh, wow. So we're going through some trial and error because nope. Nope. I'm just gonna retry that all together. Okay. I thought that this was gonna be a lot easier. It is not. It is not easy. All right. You know you can't pull that part through. Boom. Okay, so ultimately I know that I'm not, and I cannot sleep in either of these, the half wig or the top ponytail. But this is how it looks. And I'm only 5'1", so this is the length on me. But I like it. I think it looks nice. I like it. Ultimately, I do really like this a lot. It doesn't shed, it's lightweight. Cons, like I said, I really had a hard time putting on the top ponytail part. And honestly, I'm probably gonna have to take it back down and try to like redo it again. But other than that, I really do like this. I'll definitely be buying another one, and I can't wait to try out UD9 as well. And once again, this was Sensational Up Down UD1 and 1B. Like I said, I really do like this wig a lot. So far, I've had no trouble with tangling. Of course, it might have to also play in part with my necklace, because sometimes I wear necklaces that tend to tangle into my hair, and this is synthetic, so what do you expect? I'm pretty sure at some point very soon, as I continue to wear it throughout the week, it will end up tangling. I had just a little difficulty with the half wig securing it. I pulled the drawstring and everything, but it just still had a little bit of some gaps right up here. You know, I didn't really have any issues where the combs were secured, but just a little bit of trouble where the sides were, so I had to pin those down with some hairpins. But like I said, everything else is good. Like I said, the only thing, it's kind of hard to put the top ponytail part on. But yeah, definitely would buy again. Great unit, good price, versatile. Like I said, if you're creative, then besides the styles that it showed you right here on the packaging, you can probably figure out a bunch of different other ways to use the half wig and the top pony. But I just want to say thank you to everyone who watched this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and give me a big thumbs up. Bye.